Hello everyone and welcome to 2016.12 IC compiler to hierarchical place and route update training. Agenda session covers list of enhancements that are incorporated in 2016.12 release. Promotion of clock related data, integration of hierarchical design checks into mega commands, power abstracts and power report for designs with physical hierarchy, support for global route-based high fan-out synthesis and DRC violation fixing, signal electromigration analysis for hierarchical designs, non-default routing rule handling when creating and merging abstracts. Let's begin with promotion of clock-related data enhancement. Starting with version L1603 SP2, IC Compiler 2 supports the promotion of the clock-related data from the lower levels of physical hierarchy to the top. The command promote clock data promotes annotation specified using set annotated delay and set annotated transition commands, and also the balance points specified using set clock balance points. Benefits: an ability to promote clock mesh annotation, and the command also provides a single UI to promote all the clock related information. Here is the UI for the new feature promote clock data with several options: dash auto clock, dash balance points, dash mesh annotations, dash cells. You can confirm the promotion of clock related data by checking information message CSTR-430. When multiple instances from different levels of physical hierarchy are specified using dash cells option, the data is promoted in a bottom-up manner from the lowermost physical hierarchy. Prior to version L2016-03 SP2, promote constraints was used to promote clock-related data. Starting from version L2016-03 SP2, promote clock data promotes clock-related data for all the blocks by default if dash block is not specified. We can skip promotion of clock data if clock exceptions that you apply at the top level also includes the needed balance points. Let's move to the next enhancement, integration of hierarchical design checks into mega commands. In version K2015-06 SP2, check higher design command was introduced to support checking the readiness of blocks for top level implementation. In version L2016-03, check higher design command is integrated into the check design command. Starting from L2016-03 SP2, the hierarchical design related checks are integrated into the following commands, that is place of, refine of, create placement, refine placement, create buffer trees, remove buffer trees. Benefits: these sanity check will help to identify design issues which could impact the top level runs. These errors should be rectified before running the flow, hence improving usability and efficiency for debug. This is the example of the sanity check done by the mega command. Here, as you can see, the tool reports a summary of the top level errors with their IDs and respective counts. The tool will continue with the flow after reporting the errors. To analyze these errors in more detail, user need to run check higher design dash stage pre-placement for the same. Prior to M2016.12, the tool continues with the flow after reporting a summary of errors. Starting with version M2016.12, when you run any of the mega command, tool will exit with an error message. Table shows the list of errors for which the mega commands bail out from the flow. This slide is a continuation of the list of checks from the previous slide. Next enhancement, Power Abstracts and Power Report for design with physical hierarchy. Overview. Prior to version L201603 SP3, power information was not stored inside abstracts, due to which report power command only reported the power for the cells that existed inside the abstracts. In addition, designs with physical hierarchy would simply accumulate the power for the blocks in the top level power report. It was not possible to report the power explicitly for the blocks. Version L201603 SP3 adds support for these features. Create abstract command has been enhanced to store power information in the abstract. Report power command has more reporting controls for the design with physical hierarchy. Power abstract creation flow. Flow for creating abstract is similar to creating a timing abstract. Block abstract flow. Firstly, open the block and enable scenarios for dynamic power and or leakage power. Activity information can be loaded but is optional, as activity is automatically generated and propagated if user annotation or CIF is not loaded. Enable power storage in abstract by enabling the app option before executing create abstract command. After execution of the create abstract command, the power for all the cells which are abstracted away will be stored in the abstract. Top level flow. Come to top level and open the design which is linked to abstracts containing power abstracts. Enable scenarios for dynamic power and or leakage power. And you can do report power from the top level. Now the power reported at the top will be complete and correct. Now let's look into how to create power abstracts. Storing of the power information inside the block abstract is disabled by default and can be enabled by using the following application option setting before you run the create abstract command. That is, abstract.annotate power should be set to true before executing the create abstract command. During the create abstract command, if activity information is not available, the switching activity is automatically generated and propagated. Power information is only stored for active scenarios that are enabled for leakage power, dynamic power, or both. Example, set the app option abstract annotate power to true and then use set scenario status command to activate the scenarios which are enabled for leakage power or dynamic power or both. Then run create abstract. This slide explains on what is exactly stored in power abstracts. Let's say you have a design view which is basically a full design with complete netlist whose block power computed based on switching activity and loading. And then you create power abstracts by enabling the app option. Finally, power data will be retained in abstract for logic that is removed during abstraction. When the abstract is instantiated in the top level, power for the cells in abstract, which is shown in blue on the right side of the slide, is recomputed in context based on the switching activity and loading seen from top level. Power for cells removed during abstract creation, which is shown as gray on the right side of the slide, is retrieved directly from the abstract using power abstracts. Power abstracts are used like any other abstract. If a design is bound to an abstract and that abstract contains power information, the power information is automatically be visible for power analysis and reporting. Power information can only be stored in timing abstracts. No power is stored in placement abstracts. Cells that remain in the abstract have the switching activity and therefore power information calculated based on the top level context. If the activity information or boundary loading information is different between the block and the instantiation of that block in the top level, it is therefore possible that the power reported at the top level differs to the power reported inside the block. Power reporting. Report power command has a new option named dash blocks which generates a physical block oriented power report. Dash levels option to the report power command also limits the number of levels of physical hierarchy reported. Default report power command with no options generates a full chip power report that includes all the power information from the block design and abstract views. Report power dash block command generates the following three tables. Number one, power information accumulating all the subblock power numbers only. Number two, power information for the current block excluding the subblock power. Number three, total power information which is the sum of number one and number two. Report power dash blocks dash levels 1. In addition to the information reported by report power dash block command, adding the dash level 1 results in a detailed power information for the blocks. Either it can be design or abstract, instantiated at the top level. If a block at this level also has nested blocks, then the power reported includes the power for these nested blocks as well. Report power dash blocks dash levels 10 reports detailed power information iteratively down the hierarchy to a depth of 10 levels of physical hierarchy. Any blocks that have physical depth more than 10 are accumulated in the power report. Power reporting. Report clearly shows the power is being propagated from the block abstracts, and also it shows all the three segments which we discussed in the previous slide, that is accumulated power for subblocks, top power excluding subblock power, total chip power. Report power dash blocks dash levels 1. First segment of the report shows power reported for abstract, and the cell count reported is the total cell count from the design views. Second segment of the report is for design with multiple levels of physical hierarchy. Each level greater than the number specified with dash level option includes its subblock power. Report power dash blocks dash levels 2. Here you can see that the power is reported separately for I underscore block 3 and I underscore block 2. Next enhancement, support for global route based high fan-out synthesis and DRC violation fixing. Starting with version L 2016-03 SP4, global route based high fan-out synthesis and electrical DRC violation fixing is supported for hierarchical designs using abstracts or design views. Benefits: improved congestion leading to better routability of the design. User interface: use the following app option to enable the feature, that is place of dot initial underscore drc dot global underscore route underscore based should be set with the value 1 in order to enable global route based high fan out synthesis. Next enhancement, signal electromigration analysis for hierarchical designs. Starting with version L 2016-03 SP4, IC compiler 2 supports signal EM analysis for designs with abstracts. User interface: to include EM information in the abstract, you must set the following app option to true before you create the abstract. That is abstract.enable underscore signal underscore EM underscore analysis should be set to true. Benefits: when signal EM analysis is performed at the top level using report signal EM command, tool can now perform analysis on all the nets, both top level and inside the abstracts. Next enhancement: non-default routing rule handling when creating and merging abstracts. Overview: starting from IC Compiler 2 version L201603 SP5, create abstract and merge commands have been enhanced to support non-default routing rules. At the time of abstract creation, NDR definitions, NDR association, and min-max layer constraints for the nets that are retained in abstract will be copied into the abstract view. At the time of abstract merging, if there are any changes in the abstract with respect to NDR definition or NDR association with nets or min-max layer constraint changes for the nets, then those information will be merged back into the design views. On the whole, this feature improves abstract view usability. Here is an example showing the usage of this feature. Open the block design view, define an NDR named double with space. Now this NDR rule and min-max layer constraints are associated to a net named EPS rename 9469 with command set routing rule. Create the abstract of the block and then now open the top level block or design which has this abstract view linked. You can query the min-max layer constraints for the same block level net from top. It shows the same layers we set at the block level. Summary: from L201603 SP2, promotion of clock related data, integration of hierarchical design checks into mega commands are done. From L201603 SP3, power abstracts and power report for designs with physical hierarchy is available. From L201603 SP4, support for global route based high fan-out synthesis and DRC violation fixing and signal EM analysis for hierarchical designs are available. From L201603 SP5, NDR handling when creating and merging abstracts are taken care. Thank you.